Okay.
Guys, wrong way. That way. Get on line. Yeah, do not get up. Get on the observation.
Railway. The incline, established in 1895, is the oldest tourist attraction in Chattanooga. Enjoy the breathtaking view through your 10-minute ride to Lookout Mountain.
Next one's gonna be around like 15 minutes later. We need to stay over here to keep our position otherwise people think that it's well, never did that. Alright, let the people out first. Can I go first?
Yeah, you said I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Cody tell you, yeah, we give all the tickets.
Just let me know where it stops.
Will do.
I got those.
Hi, you should keep your food.
I'll sit next to you.
Wait, what? Holy, I want to.
Right here.
They're going to be like, oh yeah, let's take the 7 days.
There you go.
Welcome aboard the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway, the world's steepest passenger railway and America's most amazing mile. The incline will travel from an altitude of 2,100 feet above sea level at a speed of 600 feet per minute, nearly 1 mile straight down the face of Lookout Mountain to the Chattanooga Valley below. The rate of the track at the steepest point is 72.7%, giving the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway the unique distinction of being the steepest passenger railway in the world. The car in which you were riding was installed in March 1987. Its many windows were designed to offer the most fantastic view of Chattanooga, as well as the colorful foliage and lush vegetation on the mountain. All from the brilliant reds and yellows of the hardwoods. The crisp days of winter offer a view from the incline that is unparalleled in its clarity. It allows you to see the horizon and surrounding countryside without having to move from your seat. The incline center rail is used by both cars going up and down the mountain. When we enter the passing switch and move past the other car coming up the mountain, we are exactly at the halfway point of our downward trip. As the incline descends historic Lookout Mountain, it will travel through the cities of Lookout Mountain and Chattanooga, as well as Hamilton County and the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Battlefield. Lookout Mountain is a plateau stretching 83 miles. 3 miles of Lookout Mountain are in Tennessee, 35 miles in Georgia, and 45 in Alabama. For many years, one of our out of Tennessee and Nellie out of Georgia. The first great natural ridgeline visible ahead is Michigan's part of the Civil War battle for Chattanooga was fought. It was said that when Missionary Ridge fell, this was truly the death blow to the Confederate States of America. Chattanooga was known as the gateway to the South because it had natural passes through the mountains. Chattanooga became the staging point of the famous battle in Gone with the Wind. During the Civil War, the hardest fighting for Lookout Mountain occurred at what is now known as Battlefield Park. The Craven's House, which first served as headquarters for the Confederate Army and then the Union Army, all in one day's time, is one of the landmarks of the park. The house was built by Robert Cravens. However, on November 24, 1863, the first of many cannonballs fired from Union batteries began smashing into and around the house. The long-awaited Union Army attack on Lookout Mountain had begun. On March 3, 1893, the United States government, recognizing the historical significance of the Craven's House, purchased it and the surrounding 85 acres of land. At Point Park, you can see the New York Peace Monument, which stands 95 feet tall and portrays both a Confederate and the same monument. Incline railways have played an important role in the historical development of Lookout Mountain. The first incline was completed in 1887 as a means of travel to the scenic area just below the point atop the mountain. The hotel was as splendid as the surrounding scenery, and the ride of the incline was an exciting experience with a trip to the top lasting incline number 2. A local man, John T. Crass, envisioned an incline that would be fast and inexpensive. In June 1895, Crass and several other investors applied for a charter, forming the Lookout Mountain Incline and Lula Lake Railway Company. With the help of Pay, the answer to the transportation needs of the mountain. In over a century of operation, more than 40 million passenger trips have been taken on the incline. The incline is a National Historic Site and a National Historic Mechanical Engineering landmark of the war, with 34,000 casualties. At the park, there is an audio-visual presentation on the area. You may want to visit many of the other beautiful places of interest here on Lookout Mountain. We recommend visiting spectacular Ruby Falls, beautiful Rock City Electric Map and Museum, and the Zipstream Aerial Adventure. In downtown Chattanooga, the museum, and the IMAX Theater. As we reach the lower station, please have a pleasant stay in Chattanooga. If there's anything we may do to assist you, please let us know.
Alrighty, we are now arriving at the lower station of the incline. Once we come to a complete stop, you all can expect highway to the left here. Our cars are roughly every 10 minutes to drive to every city. Alright, you all can now exit.
Right over there.